Bambona uthando lwakho ngehlumoya. Oh baby, come alive, tell me something. Ngoba mina ngithi ngiyathanda, babe, you drive me crazy. Ngoba ngithi mina ngiyathanda, babe, you drive me crazy. Hey yo, shout out to Culture Studios. My name is Mox Jay, aka King 47. Thank you. My name is Mox Jay. Yeah, I come from Rose Camp, actually near Makokoba. That's where I come from. Okay, so one day I was just looking at the poster of Mzo 7, and then he posted like, is there anyone who sing maybe Afro pop or something else? And then I then commented on the post, and I was like, I can sing. And then he called me, and then he said, you can come at the Culture Studios. And then that's when I got to know, and the other lady from the Chronicles also gave me a notification on that. So that's when I knew about the Culture Studios. Yeah. Okay, my song is titled Ngifuna Wena Wedwa. It's a love song that is vibrant, that actually preaches about love, because love is everything. And love is the only thing that can make everything right. So preaching love is what I do, derived from my name Moxie. Because if you see many people who are called Moxie, their surname will be Moyo, Inklizio. So my name Moxie means heart, which means that I sing about love, about heart. So Mox Jay, that's when I derived my name from. And that's the clue of the meaning of my song, love. Yes.
Yeah. King 47. Yeah. I like your smile Ngifuna Wena Uvusethozelwa Ngifuna Wena Uthando lwakho ngobadoza my one lover wena ngiyawuthanda Ngifuna Wena Wedwa 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 mina ngifuna Wena Wedwa stand yourself ngifuna Wena Wedwa ngifuna Wena Wedwa malava mbone wena mbona ufazwa mina mbona ufazwa umama wengane zami isithando sami umuntu wami you give me goosebumps for a long time even in summertime your beauty should be a crime where did you hide your wings my angel ngifuna Wena Wedwa ngifuna Wena Wedwa stand up ngifuna Wena Wedwa stand up ngifuna Wena Wedwa ngifuna Wena Wedwa mina ngifuna Wena Wedwa stand yourself ngifuna Wena Wedwa ngifuna Wena Wedwa
kakunokwina fani kama gates ndiwe baby rakupengesa majensi kunaka kunge unokeza neyogati uchikosha nebanana fanana ningirozi special usina kuisa ponzi dai uri mota dai uri benzi ya 2050 ausiwonda fiti aikufiti inokuwondesa futi muri general in beauty aiwanda kupai saluti my baby manyama futi
uvusethozelwa Ngihlanganisa